English Daily Practice. 75 clear phrases to help you think like a native. Listen and repeat after me. Ready? Let's start.
I am just checking if everything is okay with you today. I am here if you need help with anything at all. I am trying to understand what you mean by that statement. I really appreciate your patience while I figure things out. I am not completely sure about what you are saying now. I would love to hear your opinion about this situation today. I am working on this and making some good progress today. If something is unclear, please let me know right away now. I need a little more time to think about this carefully. I am trying my best to stay focused during this busy day. I want to make sure we are talking about the same thing. Please finish your thought before I say anything else to you. I am open to any suggestions you may have for improving this. Give me a moment to think about everything that was said. I just need a second to organize all my thoughts properly. Thank you for being honest and telling me what you think. I am trying to stay positive, even though things feel difficult. Let me explain it in another way so it is clear. Can you repeat that more slowly so I can understand it? Please guide me if I am doing something wrong right now. I am doing my best to stay calm even when stressed. I understand you, and I am glad you shared that today. I am trying to think about solutions instead of the problem. I need more context to understand your question clearly today. Thank you for your patience while I learn new things slowly. I value our conversations because they help me grow daily. I am not sure, but I will try to explain clearly. I would like to hear how you would solve this problem. I am trying to find the best answer for your question now. Let me take a moment to gather my thoughts carefully now. I am open to hearing different opinions about this situation today. I want to be completely honest with you about everything now. Thank you for giving me time to think before answering today. Sometimes, everything happens too quickly for me to understand clearly.
If you like this lesson, tap like, hit subscribe, and tell me what you think in the comments.
Please tell me if you feel differently about this situation. Let me try to explain this again in simple words now. I need to ask a few questions to be sure today. I want to be clear without sounding rude or confusing here. I am trying to improve myself step by step every day now. I hope you will not take this message personally today. I want to understand your point of view better than before. I am learning to speak with more confidence every single day. I need a moment to find the right words to say now. Thank you for listening to me and paying attention carefully now. I want to be sure I heard everything you said correctly today. I care about how you feel, and your opinion always matters. Please tell me if I misunderstood anything in our conversation. I am trying to think before I react to this situation now. I will try my best to explain this clearly to you today. I do not want to assume, so I ask for more details. I am trying to pay attention to every small detail carefully now. Let me repeat what you said to make sure I understand. I appreciate you taking time to explain everything so clearly. I am trying to answer thoughtfully instead of saying first thing. I want to make sure we understand each other before moving forward. I am learning to express my thoughts more naturally in conversations. I am trying not to overthink, but I need one more minute. I would love to continue this conversation because it is helpful. I want to clarify my point without making it confusing at all. Thank you for being patient while I am learning new skills today. I am really trying to focus on what you are saying now. I want to check if I understood your idea correctly this time. I am trying to explain my feelings clearly without causing misunderstanding. I appreciate that you are giving me space to speak openly today. I am not rushing. I just want to say everything correctly now. I am trying to keep the conversation simple and easy to understand. Your explanation helped, but I would like more details, please. I am doing my best to stay present and listen carefully now. I want to communicate clearly, so let me try explaining again. I am happy to help you if you need some support. I am trying to remember everything we talked about today. Please let me know if I can do anything for you. I am learning new things and I appreciate your guidance. I want to make sure you understand what I am saying. I am trying to stay positive even when things feel difficult. I would like to ask you a question about this topic.
If you like this lesson, tap like, hit subscribe, and tell me what you think in the comments.